Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So recently I made a purchase of Nothing Phone 3 and that too from Amazon. I purchased this device on 19th September. I was not keeping well, so I did not unbox the device. I just wanted to know whether the Amazon is selling refurbished device or they are the brand new ones. Because a lot of users were asking about it. I know before the BBD sale, the pricing which was listed by Amazon was pretty good. I got this device for somewhere around 44,000 rupees, and obviously now in BBD you can get this device as low as around 34,000 rupees. But I wanted to check out this product from Amazon because Amazon is not an authorized seller. We'll talk with the customer care, we'll check the product status, and we'll also check if the device is in proper condition or not. We'll cross check with the Amazon officials also, and we'll also cross check with Nothing guys to find out whether any repairs are done on this device if it is pre-activated. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So if you see, I haven't opened up the packaging yet. It's completely sealed pack. There's nothing, which looks like packaging has been tempered or something like that. The outer packaging is properly sealed. So I'll just open this packaging and check out for the inner packaging. So here also if you see, the inner packaging is also in proper condition. Let's open up this and check out the retail unit of Nothing Phone 3. Whether that has been tempered or not. By the way, I got this black unit. I'll keep everything aside, and if you take a look at the seal also, that is also properly intact. And I don't see any kind of tampering around the box. Everything seems to be in really good condition. So let's open up the seal in front of you guys, and there we go. Though it can be easily again stuck because it's not something, which can't be reused. So here we have the box, we have removed the seal. And now let's open the box and see device condition. So here we have the box itself, and opening it you can see the cover on Nothing Phone 3 doesn't seems to be even touched, but let's find it out. So here we have the unit itself. Let me check other accessories, and inside this we also have a case and along with charging cable and SIM rejector tool. And if you see the connector of charging pin, it doesn't look that it is used at all. So I can confirm the charging cable is completely unused. So let's keep this aside and directly check the phone.
A quick break, TechiBee family. With Dussehra and Diwali around the corner, we all want our homes and gadgets sparkling clean. And today I'll show you a product which can help you clean your house and even your gadgets. That's AGARO compressed air duster to make sure even the hardest to reach spot are dust free. The air duster comes with a 500 watt copper motor that reaches up to 48,000 RPM. That means strong airflow up to 18 kPa to remove dust, lint and debris quickly and effectively. You get 3 types of nozzles. Flat for thin gaps, round for precise cleaning, and inflatable nozzle set for balloons, air mattress or swimming rings. It has 2 speed settings, low speed for delicate items like keyboard and high speed for when you want full power for vents, cameras or even fan blades. You guys can take a look before and after. It's not just for electronics guys. You can use it for car vents, sofa seams, camera gear bags and even for inflating balloons or swimming rings during festival celebration. Truly multi-purpose. For the best results, keep the nozzle 6 to 8 inches away from sensitive parts. Use low speed for fragile items, clean the nozzle regularly and store it safely when not in use. So guys, this Dussehra and Diwali, give your gadgets and the home the shine they deserve with AGARO compressed air duster. Portable, powerful and reliable, plus it comes with 1 year of warranty. Check the link in the description below to grab yours. Happy festival cleaning and enjoy the sparkle.
So here we have the phone, and first I'll remove this cover and we'll see if there are any fingerprint smudges on the phone or not. That will give us a better idea if the device have been used by someone before. So initially I'll not touch the device back. I'll just hold the frame so that we get a better idea whether device was touched by someone else or not. And if I see here on the device, there are not even a single fingerprint smudges, at least on the back side. And if we turn towards the front side, here also I don't see any kind of fingerprint smudges. So device seems to be brand new. I'll just turn it on and we'll cross check the device status, or you can say the product status. You all know that Nothing phones do require a SIM card to complete the initial setup. So you can see device have completely booted up. I'll just try to complete the initial setup without adding the Google account or something like that. I'll just insert my SIM card so that we complete the initial setup. So if the device is not pre-activated guys, it will show today's date. Because we have inserted the SIM, that means the device have been activated now. I'll skip everything. So now our device have been successfully booted up. You can see it is running nothing OS 3.5. Now let's check on the PC using the IMEI number whether the product is pre-activated or not. So today's date is 22nd September. Let's check the product status. So I'll enter the IMEI number over here and now tapping on submit. So as you can see here, this is again a pre-activated device, not sure for what purpose they might have used, which was activated on 16th August 2025, which is almost more than a month. But if you see the device condition, it's completely brand new. No fingerprint smudges, no scratch, and even if I see the panel properly, I don't even think the device have ever been opened. Everything is completely intact. Now I'll arrange a call back from Amazon and let's see what they have to say about it, whether they can return it back or not. And we'll also check out with Nothing officials about the service, as the device is already pre-activated, and we'll ask them whether any repairs have been done. As per the physical condition, I don't think any repairs are done for this device, but still we'll ask them, and we'll also check out will Nothing provide official warranty for this device which was pre-activated and we bought from Amazon.
Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for contacting Amazon customer service. This is Safida. How can I help you?
Hi, good afternoon ma'am. This is Ashok this side. And I'd recently placed an order of a phone which is Nothing Phone 3. So today I was unboxing that unit and I saw that the device is pre-activated. It was activated a month before, which generally doesn't happen if you buy a new phone.
Okay, like it seems like used already.
Yes, it's already used device which was activated last month.
Yeah, the product comes under fresh category. So that reason there is a consent team regarding they are handling this type of issue. There is no need to worry, sir. Just give me 2 minutes. Definitely they will help you. Okay, I will transfer this call to them only. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes, to help you in this case, Mr. Ashok, I have to raise an investigation because for us, it is mentioned as a new and correct item was delivered to you on your address. As this is an expensive item, we want to know that why and how has this happened, okay? So that we can stop this from happening in the future and also provide you the solution for this, alright?
Okay. So as per the Amazon, they'll be investigating this thing and they'll come up with some solution on 27th. We'll wait till 27th. Today is 22nd. We still have 5 more days to go. And they also mentioned that it is a fresh unit, which is mentioned over there. It is fresh and not a refurbished one. So they'll be doing a proper investigation. Let's see what investigation they'll do. I'm not keeping much of hope from Amazon, but still let's wait and see. On 27th, I'll keep you guys posted on Twitter. And now let's call up to Nothing customer care and find out whether we'll be getting official warranty on this unit or not, and whether any repairs are done officially on this unit from the Nothing service centers. We'll get a fair idea whether to keep this device or to return it back to Amazon. I just wanted to know, I'll be able to avail the warranty or not. And as per your records, is it being repaired? Like if any data is there, if it is being repaired from Nothing official service centers, that also please let me know. So as per Nothing customer care, they cannot say anything about the warranty. For that we have to visit the service center and then they'll confirm whether this device is considered under warranty or not. I'll be soon going to the service center and I'll also keep you guys posted about the investigation what Amazon is doing for this device. For both the things, I'll keep you guys posted on our Twitter. But if you are the one who are not able to grab this device from BBD sale, I don't recommend buying this device from Amazon because there's a lot of process, and I know warranty will be claimed. We being a creator, we can raise a voice by making videos and updating brands like Amazon, Nothing about all these things. But I know it will be very difficult for a normal user who wants to buy this device and gets a pre-activated device, and later on if brand denies to provide this service or the warranty, then it will be very difficult for you guys. So I'll just say, if you're buying this device or any device, make sure you buy from the official retail stores or official partners. So guys, this was the reality check of buying Nothing Phone 3 from Amazon. Now you guys can avoid buying Nothing Phone 3 from Amazon. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.